Hey guys, welcome back, and today's video is going to be a outfit specific makeup look. I've created this look using teal and turquoise eyeshadow, and this is a very eye centric look, and the rest of the makeup is kept understated. I created this as an outfit specific one because I have a teal outfit which I don't even know if I will get to wear it. But if you have something that's yellow or peach or pink, or maybe it's steel gray, even something that has a hint of a turquoise color in it, this might work out for you. So without further ado, let's get going into the tutorial, and do subscribe and share the channel if you like the content. So let's get started. So I'll be starting with PAC Pore Perfecting Primer, and this is one of the best budget primer you can find for oily skin and if you're looking for a matte finish. I actually like the texture of this primer. It does exactly what it says. The pores are almost instantly minimized, and it's very visible that there's a noticeable difference in how your pores look using this primer. So for my foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is like the most popular foundation for oily skin, and though I love the formula of the foundation, unfortunately I have bought a shade that's slightly lighter than my skin tone. On the brighter side, once it oxidizes, it looks exactly like my skin tone. So I'm just hoping it will work out for this video as well, because I really love this foundation and I really wanted to show how this one works, because this is actually the best foundation you can use for a nighttime event. So I have just roughly applied this thing with my finger. I usually use this technique because it's easier. I find it more convenient. So this is the shade Caramel Focus. I'm done with my contouring, and next I'll be going for the blush. I'm using this Miss Claire round blushers, and this one is shade 11. It's commendable that a brand that's this affordable and known as a budget brand has come up with a blush that's this pigmented and has so many shades. So you have to be a little light-handed with this, because as you can see, I have ended up with a clown face. Yeah. So this is the Miss Claire Shimmer Brick. I'll be doing the eye makeup with the Beauty Glazed Colorboard eyeshadow palette, and I have linked its review on the top. You can check that out as well. I'll be using this 3 teal shades for my eyes, and before that I'll be priming the eyes using the NYX eyeshadow base by blending it out thoroughly on my eyelid. It is a creamy base and not exactly suitable for oily eyelid, but I make it work for me nevertheless using some matte eyeshadow on top. I'll be using this shade here for my inner and outer corner of the eyes. This shade from this palette, just to diffuse the dark teal color a bit and make it appear more blended. It will involve a lot of blending, so be prepared for some really painful arm workout. I'll be using this satin finish teal color at the last on the center of my eyes to create the dimension and 3D look that I am going for today. Now I'll repeat this same stage like matte, satin and matte in the lower eyelid. I'll be also tightlining the eye using the Lakme Iconic Kajal in black. So I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, which is a volumizing mascara, and it definitely works well. Like, this significantly give you a drastic volume to the eyelid, to the eyelashes. For my lips, I paired the look with the Lakme Absolute Matte Mauve Mania lipstick, and it is one of the prettiest nude mauve color I have come across. It's a mix between nude and peach and brown really, and it reminds me a lot about the Estee Lauder Just Ginger shade. So this is the final look that I have created, and as you can see, this is a very outfit specific look, but nevertheless, if you have an outfit that is close to this dress or have some amount of teal in it, this is good to go for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, bye.